Locked out of your 2022-2023 Kia Carnival due to a dead key fob or car battery? Don't worry, there are simple solutions. First, identify the problem. Is it the key fob or the car battery that's dead? A dead fob means the buttons won't work, but the mechanical key hidden inside can unlock the door. A dead car battery will prevent the entire car, including electronic locks, from functioning. In both scenarios, Kia provides a mechanical workaround using the hidden key. Remember, forcing the lock can cause damage, so avoid that. Your Kia Carnival's key fob has a hidden mechanical key blade. Locate it by pressing a button or sliding a cover on the fob. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. For a dead car battery, unlocking the door with the mechanical key is your first step. Then, jump-start the vehicle using jumper cables connected to another car's battery or a portable jump starter. Attach the red positive clamp to the positive terminal on both batteries. Then the black negative clamp to the negative terminal on the working battery and a grounded metal surface on the Carnival. Start the working vehicle, then try starting the Carnival. Once jump-started, the Carnival's electronic systems, including door locks, should function normally. After gaining entry with the mechanical key, remember that for sliding doors, you'll need to open those manually using the levers inside.